dress. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. They say always give more than you take. Today I'm giving all that I am to you. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Here now you'll never be alone. Oh. We'll make it on our own. Here's to a new day. Here's to a new day.
Mahal, thank you sa lahat. Thank you for being so responsible, hardworking, and thank you kasi lagi mong ginagawa lahat kasi ang dami mong dreams. Lagi mo lang iisipin na nandito yung full support ko para sa'yo. Happy birthday, mahal.
Wish ko sana sa'yo, nako, kumawa pa ang buhay mo at maraming pang birthday dumating sa'yo at wish ko sana magkaanak na kayo, mag-asawa at nang makita namin ang apo namin pa sa inyo.
Happy birthday anak ko at sana sumaba pa ang birthday mo. At sana huwag kang magbabago sa amin. Kayo mga lolo, mga pinsan, mga inale. God bless you.
Now and forever you're my home. A new day.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo, sa mga kamag-anak ko, mga ninong, ninang, yung mga kaibigan. Talaga namang na-surprise ako. Hindi ko alam to eh. Sabi ko nga, simple lang eh, dahil ano nga eh. Ayoko ng mga gantong bongga na handaan eh. Yun, simple lang naman, may doubt lang sana yung birthday ko, masaya na ako. Bongga pa, lalong masaya. Hindi ko talaga alam to, surprise talaga. Yun, thank you sa asawa ko, si Janine. Ayun lang, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you sa lolo, sa lechon. Ayun. Thank you sa lahat na nagpunta.